So today I'm going to recap the last session. Can you tell me what app did we create in last session?
In last session, we created about calculator app.
Yes, good. It is right.
Calculator app.
Last class we all have learned about creating calculator app. So what did you understand by calculator app?
Can I, Raksha?
Yeah, tell me.
A calculator app is a tool that performs mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, and multiplication, and also division.
Yes, good. Did everyone create the calculator app in your device?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Let me explain it briefly. Can anyone tell me where we want to search MIT app in Inventor?
Google.
Google Chrome.
Google.
It's our searching option.
Yes.
Google.
Yes, right. It is Google. It's my screen visible?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Click on the MIT app inviter and click on the create apps. So this is a calculator device designer page. First we want to move to layout. Layout and click the horizontal arrangements. And we want to take from layout horizontal arrangement and click on screen. We want to take two horizontal, three or four, three or more than three. We want to take horizontal arrangement and we want to go to label. You can explain. Can anyone explain?
Can I?
Can
Yes,
I?
please. Yes.
We should go for horizon. We should take horizontal arrangements and next take two labels and name them as enter number 1 and enter number 2. Next, we should take a button and name it result and a text box and three text box and keep them in front of enter for number 1, enter for number 2 and result. Next, we should take another horizontal arrangement and take buttons and name them as add, subtract, multiply, and divide. And then
Okay, thank you. Now we want to click a block section. We want to create a codes. First, we want to click on horizontal arrangements. Just anyone explain about this?
can I?
No.
Can I?
Yeah.
Can I?
Yes, please.
Do set result. Do result dot text. No. Enter number 1 dot text plus number 2 dot text, and that is the addition code. And take when click do set result dot text to enter number one dot text plus enter number text. That was subtraction. And for multiplication
Stop.
and multiplication,
You can stop. Now tell me, Disha.
So for multiplication, we should click on multiply, and we should click on result, and from result we should take set result text to, and then we should go for max, and we should take the third one, uh, and then we should place it there, and then we should click on number one, and we should take number one text, and then we should click on number two, and we should take number two text. For division, we should click on division, and we should take when division click do, and we should click on result, and we should take set result text, and we should go for max, and we should take the third one, and we should go for number one, and we should take number one text, and number two we should click, and we should take number two text.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you, dear children. Actually, she does not know about that MIT Inventor properly. Actually, she is studying class 6th. Really, I will appreciate Raksha. Next, new app will be created from Thrisha and also Thrisha.
So, good evening, all.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
So, thank you, Raksha, for recapping the last class. So, did anyone have guesses about what I'm going to teach today?
Yeah.
Can I?
Except Diksha and Payal, others can answer me.
Can I?
Tom.
Who is that? Vedashri? Yes, you
Talking
can.
Tom.
Yes, right. So, Talking Tom is a gaming app, right? Today,
Yes.
So today I'm going to teach you all about how to create a Talking Tom gaming app. Is okay?
Yeah.
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 Yes, right. So can anyone guide me to go to MIT App Inventor? So
Can I?
yes,
Can I?
sir.
Can I?
Purvik Gowda,
yes,
you can.
go to Google Chrome,
Yeah,
search MIT App Inventor.
1 second. Yes, tell me.
Search MIT App Inventor.
So it is appeared. You can see, right? Is my
Yes,
screen visible to all?
yes, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, fine. Yeah,
Click on
next.
first link.
Yeah.
Create apps.
Yes, okay, good, Purvik. Thank you. So now
Thank
I'm going to teach a new gaming app, right? So first I have to name a new project. So I'll click on new project and name it as Talking Tom. So what app I'm going to create?
Talking Tom.
Talking Tom.
Talking Tom.
Yes, correct.
Talking Tom.
So before I teach, do anyone know about this app?
Yeah.
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 How did you know this? Who taught you about this?
Madhe sir.
Okay. So did you learn this in school?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well. So I have named my project as Talking Tom app. So I'll click on OK. So this is the designer page, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So now I'll drag and drop an image from user interface. So this is a designer page. So now I'm going to start how to create a Talking Tom app. So first let's click on image and drag and drop it here. So now I have to choose an image for this. So where should I go now? So do you know how to choose an image?
Can I?
Upload file.
Can I?
Upload file.
Upload file.
Yes, right. So you can go from this also. You can click on picture here, then click on upload file, then click on choose file. There are many pictures here. So which I want? So I want the Talking Tom image. So I had selected this now. So first, before you select here, you should download in your mobile. So first you should download the image, then it will be appeared in the download. So after that you can take the image. So I had clicked the image here. So now I'll click on open. So now I'll click on OK. So the image is appeared here. So the image is too big, right?
Yeah.
So properly the image is not visible. So now I want to customize the image. So here I'll click on height and give it as 250 pixels. Then give the width as 350 pixels. Then click on OK. So it is appeared now here. It's at the proper mid. So now I have to align it. So where should I go now? So I should go click on screen. Then click on this align horizontal. Then select center 3. So now it is appeared on in the center, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
So why do we use image here?
Can you explain that once again? I was not hearing that part.
So which one? How to take an image?
No, that adjusting it.
Yeah, okay. So for this, to customize the image, so you should go here to height is there, no?
Yes.
So click on height and give the height as 250 pixels.
Okay.
So you can give it as 250 pixels. Then I go to width and give it as 350 pixels. Then click on OK. So it will be appeared here. So it should be appeared on the mid. So you can click on alignment horizontal and click on center 3. This is all about customizing the image. So
Okay,
did you
thank you.
understood?
Yeah.
Do you have any doubts in taking the images?
No.
No.
Do others have doubt?
No.
No.
Okay, fine.
No doubts.
Yeah, okay, fine. So now let's take a speech recognizer. So it will be here. So do anyone know how to take speech recognizer? In which palette it would be there?
Media.
Yes, right. So the speech recognizer is there in the media palette. So I'll select this and drag and drop here. So can you tell me why are we using speech recognizer here?
Non-visible component.
Because
Because it wants
when we speak to the
So
image,
Gagan, you can answer.
so because when we speak to that image, so that it can respond to us.
Yeah, right. So we use speech recognizer to convert spoken words to written text. So like Talking Tom means what I say it should repeat, no? You all are familiar with that app, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So when I speak, it should react to me, means it should respond to me too. So when I use speech recognizer, so what I spoke will be there in the written text. So after hearing that, so it can respond to me. Is it okay? And speech recognizer is a non-visible component. So it is not visible in the designer page, but it is visible here in the components, speech recognizer. Okay. So now we have to take a text box. Who is this scratching on my screen? Please stop it. Sorry. Now I have to text to speech, not text box, sorry, text to speech. So text to speech is also there in media. So you can see here, right? Text to speech. So drag and drop it here. So text to speech is similar as the speech recognizer. It is also a non-visible component. So we use speech recognizer, text to speech to convert the written text to spoken words. So here we use speech recognizer to convert the spoken words to written text. But the text to speech is used to convert written words to spoken. Is it clear?
Yeah.
So do you have any doubts with the speech recognizer and text to speech?
No.
Did all others understand?
Yeah.
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 Yes.
So now I'll randomly ask anyone here. So you can answer me. So Anush, Anush from Bharat Mata. There in the class. So okay. So Barira,
Yeah.
so can you tell me how to take an image? I have done already here. So you please,
Yeah.
you can explain me.
First, we have to go to.
Yes, you can continue.
Just a second.
Yeah.
First, we have to go for file picker.
File picker. So where is it?
It's in media.
So no, wrong. I told you to choose an image. Yes,
Sorry,
Sohan.
we have to go for image.
Yeah, you can continue.
We should go.
So stop,
We
Sohan. So
should go
she's
to
continue.
the.
Yes, Barira, you can continue.
We have to go to image.
Yeah. You continue. Okay, Sohan, you can continue.
Select the image. Select the image and go to upload file
Yeah. So you can click on picture here, then select upload file. Yeah.
and choose file
Yeah. Then
and
click
choose your
on the
picture.
picture which you want. Then click on open. So as I already put an image there, no need of taking an image. So did all understood how to take an image, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No
Yeah.
doubts.
No.
No.
Yes, right. So everything is done. So the last one is we have to take a button here. Yeah. So you can click on button here and drag and drop it here. So we use button here. So when we click the button, so it can respond to us. Like first I'll change the text of it. So here it is given as text for button 1. So I'll rename it as click here to speak. So I had renamed it to click here to speak. It is done. So it's too small here. The button is too small. So I have to customize it. So I have to change the font size and all. So what should I do now? So where should I go to customize the shape and font size of the
Font
letters?
size.
Properties.
No, it's font size is the correct answer. Click on font size. Then I'll give the font size as 25. So it is done. So now you can make the font bold also. So you can click here. It is given now font bold. So if you click here, the text will be bold. Sorry, the text will be bold here. You can see it, right? The text is
Yeah.
bold here. So you can also change the shape of the button here. So here is the shape given now. You can click on this shape. So can anyone choose any shape here? There are 4 shapes in given this.
Round.
Oval.
So who told me that first rounded?
Diksha.
Okay. So I'll choose the rounded one. So you can change the color of this also button. Here background color is there, no? So you can click on the background color. So it is like gray or white it is. So you can change that to blue or any other color which you want. So I had changed that to pink color. So it is done here. So this is all about the designer page. So designer page had done. It is completed. So do anyone have doubts about designer page?
No.
No.
So did everyone understood?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So now I'll go to block section for coding. So in this it is very simple code. There are just 2 codes in this. So they are very easy. So you can learn it. So first you can go to button here and click on when button 1 click do. Just drag and drop it here. Then go to speech recognizer. Then go to speech recognizer and select this one. Call speech recognizer get text. Why we are using this? Because so when button 1 means you can see here. Umera Kulsum, mute your audio. Okay. So you can see here, this is the button 1, right? But I had renamed it to click here to speak. That's fine. So when I click this button, it should give me a speech recognizer. So to get the text, so it can listen what I speak. So when button 1 is clicked, it should provide the speech recognizer. So this code is done. So this is the first code. So the first code is done. So let's move to the second code. So do anyone have doubt about this first code?
No.
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 Can you explain?
No.
So
Can you
yeah,
explain
okay. So I'll explain it again. So first you should click on button. Here there is a button like code, no? Here.
Yeah.
So click on that and you should click on when button 1 click do. So just drag and drop it, okay? After drag and dropping, you can go to speech recognizer. So here you should select call speech recognizer 1 get text. So we are using this here because so when we click the button here, you can see that in the designer page we have a connection to it. So when we click the designer page, in designer page when we click on button 1, so it should give a speech recognizer to us. As speech recognizer is not visible here. So when we click on button 1, it should give a speech recognizer to us. So it should get the text what we speak. So that's why we had made this code. Is it understood?
Yeah.
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 Yes.
Okay. So this is the first code. Did you understood?
Yeah.
Yes.
So let's move to the second code now. So go to speech recognizer and select this one. When speech recognizer after getting text result partial do. You can just drag and drop it here. And this code is, I had took this code because when speech recognizer 1, here we told that when button 1 is clicked, speech recognizer should be available to us to get the text. So here, when speech recognizer will be available, after it get the text, it should give us result. So it should give the result. So we had took this one here. So next one, you can go to text to speech 1. Then select yes. Who was that? Okay. You can go to text to speech and select this one called text to speech, speak or message. Just drag and drop it over here. Then you can here go to variables. So in variables, you have to get result. You have to search for get result. But here there is no get result. But just I have get and an empty space. So what should I do now?
Name a variable.
Name a variable.
Yes, right. You can name a variable also, but there is another way from which you can get it. So you can just take this variable, get an empty space is there, no? So you can take that and there is a small arrow mark here. You can see?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you can click on that arrow. One second, there is a small problem with this. So I had took this from the variables. So there was an empty space with get, right? So I had took that and I had placed it over here. Get. So you can click on this arrow mark. There is a small arrow mark now. So which should I select now? Result or partial?
Result.
Result.
So why should I click on result here?
Why? Because we wanted
Because
the
to get, we
We
need a
wanted
result. So
Get the
speech. When we call the text to speech, we wanted the result. The message we get is the result. So
Yes, right. So good. So we have to choose result here. So Mera Kulsum, do you want to answer? So okay. So you have to click on result. So it is changed to get result. Okay. So we are using this code here because when speech recognizer is used, so after it is getting the text, what we tell. So for example, I'll tell hi. So it will get the text what I spoke. So it will listen that. So then it will call the text to speech. Text to speech means it will convert the spoken words to written words. Means the spoken words, what I say hi, will be converted into a text there. The hi will be given there in a text form. So after that, we can get a result. So it will listen that and it will be in a text form. After that, we'll get a result that Tom can repeat what I say. So it will also repeat hi. So is this code clear?
yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Do others have doubt?
Yes.
no.
No. No.
No.
Who is having
No.
doubt? You can ask me. I'll
No.
teach you once again.
Can you explain again?
Yeah. So which one I should explain? The first one or the second code?
Second
Either
code.
explain.
Okay, second code. So here for the second code, here the speech recognizer is not visible here. So, but here in the components it is visible. So it has a connection to the designer page as well as block section. So here I should go to speech recognizer and select when speech recognizer 1 after getting the text result partial. It means that when speech recognizer will get the text what I spoke, it should give me a result. So what should it do when after the getting test? So so that code is given here. So for that you should go to text to speech and you should select this code. Call text to speech speak message. So just drag and drop it over here. So I had placed this code here because after the speech recognizer had got the text, so it should give us a text to speech. Means what I spoke now, like hi, it will be represented in a text form there. Hi, hi, will be represented in a text form there. So after that, what should it do? It should give us a result. At last, it should give us a result, right?
Yes.
So for that, you should go to variables and search for get result. But there is no type of variable here like get result. So you can choose this get and place it and fix it over here. So there is an empty space here, but there is a small arrow mark here. You can see it, right?
Yes.
Yeah, click over that and you can select result. I'm choosing result here because after this everything is done, it should give me the result. The final result should be provided to me. Yes, now?
Yes.
So here I should select result. Yeah. So did you understood Vedant?
Yes.
So did others also understood?
Yes.
Yeah.
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 Yes.
Vedant, you are from which school?
Pushpa English Medium School.
Okay. So this is the code of Talking Tom app. It's just this much only. It's just of 2 codes. So you can just finish off in 10 or 5 minutes. It is more enough than that. So you can do this app very fastly. So what is the final step I want to do now?
Download the app.
So yes, you should
Download
download
the
the app.
Download.
So Vedashri, can you
Yeah.
explain how to download it?
Go for build.
Build. Yes.
Yeah.
Then
Android app APK.
Android app APK. Yes, correct.
Click on.
So thank you, Vedashri. So you can see here that I have clicked Android app APK. Then the bar is progressing here. So after it had progressed till 100%, so it will give a download option to us. Download or it will give a QR code. So let's wait for that. Still it progress till 100%. So did everyone understood about this app?
Yeah.
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 Yeah, the 100% progress is done. So we had got a download option here. Download APK now or a QR code. So here for now, let's select download.apk now. So I click on this. So you can see here. So you can see here that it is downloading here. The progress is going on here. So let's wait till it download. So after it had downloaded, you can share it in the WhatsApp group. So it is downloaded. So now it will be appeared in your mobile. So after that, you can share it in the WhatsApp group. So did you all install that app? So it has downloaded here. So after downloading, it will be in your device. So it had downloaded. So after it downloaded, you can share that in the WhatsApp group. So is this clear to all?
Yeah.
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 Yes.
So do anyone have doubts? So you can ask me now.
No doubts.
No doubt.
No. No doubt.
Yes.
Hello.
While doing
Yes,
in
sir.
the mobile.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, Father.
Good evening, Father.
Good evening,
Am I
Father.
audible?
Yes, Father.
Good evening, Father.
Yeah, this is Father Thomas from Pushpa CBSE school here. And very good. Congratulations to all the all the people who are conducting the classes. And of course, congratulations to Mother Sir, who is organizing everything. And let me know how many schools are joined, how many are there from different schools here. Now Pushpa people are there, Bharat Mata are there, then Krista Jyoti, Arkalgoda.
Yes, Father.
Then
Father.
That's all, Father. Only 3 schools, Father. We are conducting.
three
Only
schools,
3
sir.
schools.
Krista
Yes,
Jyoti,
Father.
Arkalgoda, Bharat Mata,
And
and
Pushpa school, Father.
Pushpa. How many
Yes,
are
Father.
from Pushpa CBSE?
Father, around 20 members are there, Father.
But how many joined today?
Today, very less, Father.
You
Because
have
test
to.
is going on now, Father. That's why
Okay, fine. From Bharat Mata, how many are there?
12 maybe, Father.
12. From
Yes,
Krista Jyoti,
10.
10 members.
Yes,
Yeah,
Father.
you have to take the attendance and keep. Okay, just want to know how
Yes,
the things
Father.
are going.
Yes, Father.
So the slot is being given this week is being conducted by Pushpa students. Next week, somebody else.
Father, after 2 weeks, they are conducting the HTML classes, Father,
Okay,
from
okay.
Krista Jyoti school.
Very good. Yeah, often I will be joining the meeting. So
Thank you,
I
Father.
hope. So I hope you all are learning new things, right?
Yes, Father.
So now, which one she was dealing with, talking Tom? What is that?
Talking.
Yeah, are you all very much are you all expert in that? You all learned?
Yes, Father.
Yes, Father. Yes,
Yeah.
Father.
So for all of you, I'm telling that you are getting a wonderful chance. Make use of it. Take it seriously, okay?
Okay, Father.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay. You can carry on. Very good. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you so much, Father.
Thank you, Father.
Thank you.
Father.
Thank you, Father.
Thank you, Father.
Welcome.
Well,
So thank you for all. So I'll be waiting to your assignments. So as tests are going on in some of the schools, so you can submit your assignments before Sunday. The Sunday is the last date. So within Sunday you can submit your assignments. Is it fine?
Okay, Thrisha.
yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
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 Okay, fine. So you can submit your assignment. So if the other schools they don't have the test, so they can submit me before Sunday also in this week.
Okay, Thrisha.
Okay, fine. So thank you for joining. So you can leave the class now.
Thank you.